Sorry, so let's go back, guys. Title of our story right here is titled Rock Stuff. You know what a rock stuff is, right? Okay, so I'm Mark, and my little sister's name is Katie. Last Saturday, we went to London with our parents. Mom drove us. Hello, Mom. Michael has come to London. He went by train. We met him. Hi, Mom. Okay, just unmute yourself once you're ready, Mom.
Teacher,
Yes, Mom. What is the matter? Are you okay?
yes,
What did you do? Why are you
I
sleeping?
eat
Oh, what did you eat for breakfast? Are you sleeping?
eat potatoes.
That's great. Are you full now?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Why did you eat at 9 o'clock, Mom?
What for me? I go pee pee.
Yes, of course. Oh, welcome back, Mom. What time did you wake up? Why did you eat your breakfast so late?
Now what? First finish.
Oh, yes. But what time did you wake up?
6 o'clock,
Oh, you woke up
and then
early.
and then and half, and then 9 o'clock, and I eat again.
Okay, I see. That is why. So now let me share my screen directly, Bomb. And today we will have we will have your homework first. Have you seen your homework? You seen it?
No, ah,
No?
it's
Your mom printed it out, Bomb.
here.
Oh, it's there. Okay. Wait. Let me stop sharing first. And let me share again. Okay. So, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me your answer for one?
C.
Okay. It is
C.
raining. Why is it
C.
C? Why is it
C.
C?
Huh?
Why C?
Because it is raining. That's why it
Okay.
works.
Okay. Yes, that is right, Bomb. But I want you to explain it in a way that is more precise. Okay. So the correct answer here is C because this is present continuous, which means the action is happening right now. That is why we will use ing. Now, what about for two? Okay, I'm. What is your answer, Bomb?
B.
Okay, yes, very good. I'm chewing gum. What about the next one? Three.
I.
What? Okay. Can you use your pen to encircle your answer, Bomb? Did you say A? I can't hear you clearly, Bomb.
Hi.
It's A. So I am having shower every morning, right? Okay. Oh, thank you so much for that, Bomb. However, this one, Bomb, it is a present simple tense. It shows us our habits or
Half.
routine.
B.
Yes, it's I have shower. See, we have here every morning. Okay, remember, we will only use the present simple if it is currently happening. Now, what about here? I like.
Yeah. B.
Okay, I like your house. Okay, yes. It could be A or B. Okay, yes. Now, what about next one, Bob? 4. Can you use your pen to encircle your answer, Bob? Because your voice is a little choppy.
Okay.
Thank you, Bob. Okay, yes, it is D. Our house is smaller than theirs. B? Oh, you answered B? D. It's D. No, not B. Okay, yes, it is D, Bob, because in here we are comparing houses, right? Our house is smaller than theirs. Okay, it is a possessive adjective, Bob. Yes, theirs. This one is correct. This one is correct. Smaller than others. Okay, that's correct. Next one now. What about in here? Blank children are older than.
Three.
Okay, my children are older than her.
Hers.
Okay, yes, it's her. We in here, Bomb, we are comparing um two people's children. Okay, so my is needed, of course, before children, and in comparison, we will use hers. Okay, but of course, you can as well say my children is older than her. But of course, this is the suitable answer. Now, what about for the next one?
Who's talking to your sister?
Okay, what is your answer, Bomb? Is it C or B?
B.
Okay, yes, it is B, which is a contraction of who and is. Okay, now what about this? This book is in.
Nine.
Okay, this book isn't mine.
B.
Is it? Okay,
B.
it's D. Okay, is it yours? What about this one, Bob? Next one. Black dictionary is this.
Um.
What do you think is your answer? It's A. Be certain it's A. Dictionary. Is this it's him?
What's for me, okay?
Okay. Welcome back, Bomb. Okay. Is everything okay now? It's all good? That's okay, Bomb. That's fine. So now we will answer it again. Okay, so can you tell me again your answer for this one? Is it A? Whose dictionary is this? It's him.
Now, the king, the tiger, and the mole.
C.
Okay, it's C. The right answer here is C. Okay, so he, his is the correct possessive pronoun here. So it's his. We can say it's him. Okay, now let us have the next one. Okay, what about here? Blank going to the party tonight? I am not.
Who's?
Okay, which one? Is it who's A or who's C?
C.
Okay, yes, it is C. Very good. What about this one? And blank garden is bigger than blank. What is your answer here?
A.
Okay, and their garden is bigger than ours. Great job, Mom. What about for this one? Blank dog is running around blank garden.
Who's?
Okay, it
Who's?
what letter?
Dog is
Letter.
running round our garden. Our
Okay. Okay, so it is it C or B?
is C.
Okay, yes, it is C. Very good. That's correct. What about the last one? The last one.
I I am playing tennis this afternoon.
Okay, yes, you have it. Bomb, it's still present continuous for future arrangement. Well done. So now we'll proceed to your book. Okay, let me share my screen again. And now we'll have this. Okay, wait.
Oh, I know it.
You know it? Okay, so we're already in lesson 21 of your book. So we'll have exercise 3. Now, can you tell me again can you tell me, Bomb, what is documentary?
I don't study it.
Oh, you haven't studied this one yet? Yes, I understand. Okay, so let me translate this for you, and I want to ask your opinion. I want to ask your
Okay,
perspective.
no.
Tài liệu.
Okay, what is documentary now?
Means like um like there's a few
Mm-hmm. About
and
what?
about the wo- like there's a film and there's a big paper and it writes lots of good sentences for us to get money.
Okay, yes. Thank you for your idea, Bob. So, again, when we say documentary, it is, yes, a type of movie or a TV show that explains real events. Okay, so it is a TV program or as well a film, Bob, presenting facts about real life. Like, for example, documentaries about animals, right? Okay. Do you watch documentaries, Bomb?
Yes. No,
Yes, you do. Oh no. You don't.
I didn't go to the film
Oh, okay. You don't like watching documentaries. Okay, that is fine.
I
What
don't
about
like
horror? Oh.
because it makes lots of money.
No, you can watch it. It's free. It's free.
No,
You have TV. You can watch it on
TV,
TV, Bomb.
but I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it. You want to go there on your own and witness it. Okay, that is a little scary, Bomb, but that's brave of you. Now, what about horror?
horrible, it means like I am
No, not
eating a
horrible, but horror. Not
horror.
horrible, it's horror.
Already like some dead people
Dead people. Okay.
or like
Yeah, that's
box
more.
and put dead people.
Okay, yes, that is right. So when we say horror bomb, yes, those are what you mentioned are some of the examples. Okay, so it is a type of story that is meant to scare or shock people to scare them. Do you like watching horror movies?
Watch it already, and then and then in my dreams I see ghosts.
Do you think ghosts are real, bomb? No, they're not. Yes, they are. Have you seen? Have you seen one?
In Japan,
Oh, in Japan? Have you? But you haven't been in Japan yet.
oh, my uncle,
Oh, your uncle. Oh.
my uncle has a girlfriend like this.
Hmm?
Today, I don't know, last month, no, last year, my uncle want to go to Vietnam to meet my grandma, his mother,
Mm-hmm.
and then his girlfriend is in Japan. Give him a pot. He doesn't know what it is. And then when he's hungry, he said, "What is this card?" And then he said, "It is. It has the money in it." Now he knows. That's why he buy 2 bowls of noodles and then he eat. And then he close and then he put on his mask and cap, and then he go to my village, and then my sister is shorter than me, but his father is taller than me. That's why I need to set he is she. That's what his sister. That's why he's go him, and then she's so scared. That's why she cried, and then she run away, and then my grandma get the chair and then hit her, and then he ran away to the bed and then closed the door.
Oh, really? Okay, but yeah, there are really some unexplainable events, bomb. But yeah, I personally
Because
don't believe in them.
my my uncle 3 years come in once. 3 years come one, and when my uncle sick in Japan, his company, he is very good uh very good. No, he's do lots of monies and he very rich. And he sent me. He just need 2 days, and he can buy a car. Just 2 days, and then he can buy a car. And when he's sick,
Okay.
he doesn't need to give the money to hospital. His company will give the money. That's why he doesn't need. He doesn't because
Oh,
he works very well.
okay. Well, that's good to know. Okay, he is
I want to be like
correct.
because when I sick, I doesn't give money, but my company.
Yes, because they will help you out. Okay, hopefully, bomb. Now, let us have the next word. We have action.
Action, it means like there's some like in the movies, like like someone is act like a duck or what animal, I don't know.
Okay. So when we say action, bomb, it is a type of story that involves excitement, such as fighting and violence. Okay, physical excitement and stunts. That is what happened in action movies, such as the movies of Jackie Chan. Okay, Jackie Chan and Bruce Lee. Those are action movies. Okay, so now what about romance? We have talked about this one last time.
Huh?
Romance. It's all about.
It's about um. I just remember horror.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, so when we say romance, remember that it is a story about love. So it's all about love and relationship, Bob. Okay, that is romance about love. Now, I believe that's all for our class, so you can relax now, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, Bob. Be safe there, okay?